Video.
Where? No video. Where? You both walking street now? This guy not understand rules in the Philippines. I don't know, maybe I say tacta now. Need to teach him. It's already second time he say to me not video, not allowed. Girls now good looking. No, I already explained, I don't know. I don't know rules, I don't know. Already after 10 minutes I will start live stream in Kokamos. This guy from Philippines, who stopped me, he already say sorry. And next time he not stop me. I hope he already understand, because I walk only and you know already. From 5 to 6 here, maybe every Friday, garbage collectors. But my smell not good right now. So many garbage. We remove already garbage, but smell not good here now. Oh, my places don't have. Okay, I need to wait for live stream. You see, it's all occupied. All occupied here. Where I can sit. Oh, here. Here already music. I delete.
But you record when you go in.
Show where? Where you sit before?
I was sitting in the front.
And you want to fight with me right now? I said I cannot take video of you.
You shall not take video of people. They're sitting.
I say to you, what you want? You now try to fight with me. You cannot say, sorry, I don't want in your video. Please not
Because
film.
it's annoying. I have seen blogger. They record people that sit here in walking street and it's fucking a disaster.
What you say fucking to me?
Now you
Not
feel-
touch me. If you touch me, we go to police station right now.
Oh, that's what he wanted. Yeah?
Yes, we go. It's easy for me.
We don't talk to you, okay?
Okay. Guys, now I filming from Kokamos live stream, and I finish live stream, and I will go to the filming in the walking street. How I sit here live stream this one. Now 10 p.m. 10 p.m. This is chat with subscribers. It's only 38 who watch our channel now. One girl from the Masquerade bar complained. He said, oh, I don't want to if you put camera. But from the Kokamos guy, security said, it's okay, it's his problem. So now I will film in the Red Street, Walking Street.